Hello everybody, here we are, Thursday, wonderful Thursday, sitting at about a +2, oh sorry, -2 right now, degrees Celsius. I sat with Casey today, who is still being very finicky today about his food. I think his belly's just a little upset again today. Sees that dog over there. It's just a little puppy. Oh, now he's on the scent of another dog. Sorry if the wind picks up. This phone is not the greatest for wind. Lots of snow mountains. Mr. King of the Hill here. There's the dog over there. You smelled that dog all the way over the hills. Oh. At least we have the sun. Maybe a little chilly, but at least we have the sun. The sun to warm the buttocks. Now he wants to go explore everywhere where that dog was. Probably go down through the hiking trails today. Whew. It's going to take a while for all that snow to melt. Getting there though. Oh, it's going to be so messy. Snow is starting to melt. The sun is warm. The river's down a bit from when it was yesterday. Pond is thawing. Small layer of ice. I don't see any fish or turtles today. It still might be too cold for them. Our turtle friend, he's usually around that area, right around there, over there. It's too cold for him. Hopefully we'll see him this summer. Oh, you're gonna get all those burrs all over you. Oh, you do. Oh no. Now we're gonna have to get them off you. He's not going to like that very much. Oh, it's stuck to his harness. Here, buddy. Let me get this off you. Here, get something on you. One of those. These. Oh, he don't like those. He gets one of those on his tail. Woo. He's upset. That's his beautiful tail. He doesn't like anything to touch it. I try to comb it so it stays nice and fresh for him. He doesn't even like me to comb it. Some days his tail has the worst case of bedhead. He looks like he went to bed with wet hair. You gotta comb it all out so it gets all fluffy for him. He's waiting for a mouse. That's what he's doing right now. Oh! Bugger. So scared that he's gonna come up with a mouse in his mouth. And he likes to chase them. Like a cat. Casey boy, you're like a cat. I think it was 2 winters ago. We were walking along a path and he came across a mouse and it shot out from underneath the snow. Well, that started the chase. Oh my goodness. And I think the mouse was kind of disorientated a bit because he did about face and then he was like charging us. Came right at us. Casey, the big mouse hunter, got all scared, jumped. That was funny. The big brave mouse hunter. Wants to frolic in the snow. We're at my favorite tree. Well, one of my favorites. I have another favorite. It's a real big one. The dog's just been through here, so. You know what? I think I overdressed. Well, I guess it's working. Come on, bud. Don't want you going too far in there. He's had to have wiped out a couple times. Nice quiet day. Nice quiet day in the poor city. Oh no, he's eating grass again. Oh, come on, you bugger. Well, that's going to come up. That won't stay in his belly very long. He'll be tossing that up before we get home. A little shake. He's very finicky about his food. So we've heard some pretty disturbing things, or I should say learned some pretty disturbing things recently. So they did a test on food for dogs, kibble. And this is just a recent test. It just came out in 2025. I'm only hearing about it now. But apparently the kibble that you feed your dog, the dry food, and even the can, contain traces of metals. Pretty, not just minute, like concerning levels of metals in their kibbles. Not just metal, but plastic as well. All things that are not good for your dog. And these are pretty alarming rates too. Like, these are no small numbers. And it causes cancer in dogs. Yeah. I feed my dogs kibbles. And over the last 5 years, I've lost 2 dogs to cancer. Dabby just recently, she had bone marrow cancer and her back leg fell off. Look at him, mouse hunter. And Sassy, before Dabby, she had organ cancer, the worst kind. Both I had to put down. So those were not very fun days. Casey here, he just kind of, I was just getting over the loss of Sassy, and Dabby came along into my life, and she needed a loving home. So I gave her a loving home too as well. But these dogs were fed kibble most of their lives before they came to me. Oh my goodness, you guys can't see this. I wish this camera had a zoom, but there is a very large cardinal over there. He's the biggest cardinal I've ever seen. He was big. Oh, and he's got a girlfriend trailing behind him. I wish this camera had a zoom. And he's really looking for that mouse. I let them do this because it's good for them. Teaches them how to focus. Please don't come up with a mouse. Sorry about the wind, folks. It picks up every once in a while. What are you doing, dude? I can hear a woodpecker off in the distance. He's worse than a cat. He's coming. He'd stand here all day till he caught that little guy. Come on, you. He's probably terrified. Come on. Come on. Now he wants to do a snow bath. He loves this snow like Al Capone. So, back to the kibble. So, very high levels of metal, plastic. Those things aren't good. So, I'm very concerned. Like I said, I just lost 2 dogs to cancer. Casey probably kind of came into my life accidentally. And, I commit to something, I really commit. I would really hate to feed them something that is not good for them. So I'm considering doing the home meals, home cooked meals. Oh, geese. Always after the geese. There's our favorite tree. Yeah, the river is down a bit today. That's our new tree that's kind of lodged itself on the island there. That's how I could tell whether the water's high or not. Sometimes it's fully submerged. And today it's not. The geese are having a good day. Some over there too. Really wish this camera had a zoom. Oh, he's back to looking for mice. So the home cooked meals, I'm going to talk to a few people. And I'll leave a link in the description about that new findings about the dry kibbles stuff. So, anyways, that video, oh, there he goes with the grass again. That video is more in depth than what I can tell you. I'm just saying, I'm a little concerned about the food that I'm feeding them. And it's not just one particular brand, apparently it's all of them. So, I'm not even going to try to find something that's more safer. He'll be eating at home from now on, or home cooked meals. Yesterday he had chicken, sweet potato, and carrots. Today, well, not sure what we're going to do today. Maybe another chicken. Really like that. He likes the chicken. He's not a fan of beef. Not a big beef guy. He likes his chicken. He likes his turkey. Venison. He loves that. So, we're going to stick to those three. We'll stay away from the beef. And we'll stick to the chicken, venison, turkey, you know, that kind of stuff. No pork. Pork's not good for him. So we'll stay away from pork. He'll have the fish. And so I'm just not sure if we can freeze, like if I can make up the meals for his week and freeze them. I'm not sure if I can do that, or so I have a lot of questions. If any of you guys know, please leave the comments. He gets his vegetables that way too. When I cook his meals, put in some vegetables, parsley, pumpkin. He likes those. Parsley's good for them. Dandelion. So this summer, this field is filled with dandelions. And it's a not treated field, like they don't put any pesticides on it anymore. So even if we go in here, we can get a lot of dandelion. You want the plant and the whole root. We take it home, wash it down, we process it, we put it in containers. He does that. There's a tree right over there, over there, that he likes. It has berries on it, and he'll eat the berries. So I found this the other day when we were going through. I don't know how many times I've been here, but I've never seen this. Like, oh, in there, dude. Like right in the middle of nowhere. We got this little pond capped. It's like, wow, like, where did it come from? And then I looked over there and I saw, oh, hey, there's like a wall, a steel wall or a concrete wall over there. I think there was something here many eons ago. I'm going to say eons. So it was kind of a neat little find. I'll have to check the historical maps to find out what was. Oh, there's that manhole down there. There's a big wall right here. So, I'm guessing that's for the drainage. Come on, dude. Well, he's not climbing up there. Lost a few pieces off of this tree. So here we are, at the end of March. February, wrong. At the end of February, the beginning of March. I overdressed. Well, we're almost home. Still no number 2 yet. Okay. No. Stop doing that. My goodness, boy. He likes to eat his grass. And he's got to stop off at this tree every time. Can't miss it. Can't miss your tree, can you, buddy? Oh, there's that husky up there. Guy puts winter boots on his husky. I'm not sure what that's all about. Oh well. Anyways, folks, I'm home. Have a great day.